want to summarize our factoring strategies. When you're factoring an algebraic expression, you always start by removing the greatest common factor. It doesn't matter how many terms. If you have 2 terms, 3 terms, 300 terms, if you see a common factor, take that out first. Then when we're using our basic strategies, we determine what to do based on how many terms we see. If you have 2 terms, you'll look to see if you have the difference of 2 squares. And of course, if you do, you should know to factor the expression into the conjugates. You also will look to see if you have the sum or difference of 2 cubes. And you should have practiced the pattern that always appears when you have the sum or difference of 2 cubes. If you have 3 terms, I'm just going to call it trinomial factoring, because people factor 3 terms in a variety of ways. I personally use trial and error. Some people call that guess and check, but other people prefer a different strategy like the AC method or grouping, or maybe some other custom name that you use for factoring trinomials. As long as you're proficient at factoring trinomial, that's good enough. And last, I'm going to mention 4 terms. If you have 4 terms in your expression, we often consider factoring by grouping. So again, when you're factoring an expression, look for the common factor first. Sometimes people forget to do that. Then, based on the number of terms you see, look to see if it will factor further. I hope you'll go practice factoring a variety of expressions.